differentiation of trigonometric functions. So let's say we are given a function y is equal to arc tan t squared. Now we have our function y with respect to t, and we are given to differentiate the function arc tan t squared. Now what do you do here? You make a substitution. So you say let u be equal to what? T squared. Don't forget, we are looking for the derivative of this. All right, we're trying to find the derivative of this. So now it becomes what? That we differentiate this with respect to this. So we'll find du dt. So it becomes du dt, that's differentiating u with respect to t. We're going to have what? T, 2t. All right, so if you differentiate t squared, you're going to have 2t. Use 2 to multiply the invisible one here, and then you have 2t. Then you subtract 1 from here, you have 2t. Now, don't forget, you said what? Y should be equal to what? You said t squared should be equal to u. So it becomes arc tan u. All right. Now, we're going to differentiate y with respect to u in this case. So if we differentiate y with respect to u, that's differentiate arc tan u, what are you going to have? You're going to have 1 over 1 plus u squared. All right, you're going to have 1 over 1 plus u squared. Now, what's the next thing you do? You finally find what? Dy dt, because you're looking for the derivative of this. And the derivative of this function is dy dt, because we're differentiating y with respect to t. So it becomes that your dy dt finally is going to be your dy du multiplied by your du dt. So dy dt is going to be equal to, what is your dy du? Your dy du is what? 1 over 1 plus u squared multiplied by, what is your du dt? That's 2t. All right, so this becomes that dy dt is equal to, this multiplies, you have 2t divided by 1 plus u squared. Now, don't forget, you said u should be equal to t squared. So recall that you said u should be equal to t squared. So anywhere you see u, you're going to put t squared. So it becomes that dy dt is going to be equal to 2t divided by 1 plus what? T squared all squared, which is the same thing as writing 2t divided by what? Divided by 1 plus, according to the law of indices, this affects this, and you have t to the power of 4. So this is going to be our dy dt. So when we differentiate arc tan t squared, we're going to have 2t over 1 plus t to the power of 4.